Hello, you are watching a weekly update for the School of Business, Communication, and Technology. Thank you for tuning in. I have a really short video for this week. I have a lot of information in the newsletter, not as much for me to discuss, more for you to read, really. The first thing is that Lewis and Clark State College has a visit set up for April for students who are interested in transferring to them. I know this could be a great opportunity for our IT students. I know it can be a great opportunity for many students, but for that clean transition to an online program, it might be valuable for those students in particular to go on to their bachelor's degree there. This could be great for transfer students as well, especially any student that wants to go have that residential experience out of town. So great opportunity. Another thing in this week's newsletter is the President's Writing Awards. There are many categories listed, and this isn't limited to transfer students. So please, and anyone that has a writing assignment in their class, think about encouraging your students to participate in this. There are many dates listed for things coming up. I did extend the dates through the end of this semester, so there are things like commencement and when final grades are due. But the great news is that we've reached the point that next week's video should have a shorter list of dates because things end at the end of the semester. So there's that. I wanted to just touch base briefly on the highlight in this week's newsletter, and that is our accounting courses. In particular, there was a presentation, and we have our students doing taxes like they've been doing every year. So please read that, and yeah, it's great information to share about our programs. I'm hoping that next week I can highlight something from our technology area. So that's what's going on. Like I said, keeping it short and sweet. I know it got cold after we were so warm last week, so please enjoy the last bit of winter, I believe, as we do get closer to and look forward to spring. Have a great week, and I will see you on campus.